Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to tell you about Smartsheet versus Power BI. Both Smartsheet and Power BI are powerful tools designed to enhance productivity and data management, but they serve different purposes. Smartsheet is primarily a collaborative work management tool, while Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence platform. Understanding their differences can help you choose the right one for your needs. Smartsheet is a spreadsheet-based project management and collaboration tool that helps teams organize tasks, track progress, and automate workflows. It is best suited for businesses that require real-time collaboration, task tracking, and workflow automation. Power BI, on the other hand, is a business intelligence BI tool that allows users to analyze and visualize data using interactive dashboards and reports. It is ideal for data-driven organizations looking to gain insights from large datasets. I have created a comparison table for you. If you need a project management tool that allows for collaboration, task tracking, and workflow automation, Smartsheet is the better choice. It's ideal for businesses that require team coordination and project oversight. However, if your focus is on data analysis, visualization, and business intelligence reporting, Power BI is the best option. It's perfect for organizations that want to turn raw data into meaningful insights through interactive reports. In short, Smartsheet for collaborative project management and workflow automation. Power BI for data visualization, analytics, and business intelligence. Which one fits your needs best? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.